Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we on eyes protection mode in our Poco phone. Friends, you want to on your eyes protection mode in your Poco phone, so friend you can on it. And friends, now let's see how to on eyes protection mode. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting to on eyes protection mode. So we will on it. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Guys, click on display setting, guys, tap here, then again scroll. Friends, you can see this type of settings. So how can you turn on your eyes protection mode? So guys, click on reading mode, guys. Reading mode and eyes protection, guys, they both are same. So when you want to on, so you can on from here. And guys, you want to change this mode, this classic and paper, guys, you can change from here. So like that guys, you can enable, means you can on your reading mode in your Poco phone and you can use. So when you operate phone at night, so you should on guys your eyes protection mode, then guys you can operate your phone too easily. So like that guys, you can turn on your eyes protection mode in your Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.